Now, it comes as he gets ready to mark his 100th day in office right here in Georgia. In about 10 minutes from now, Air Force One's expected to land at Lawson Army Airfield. That's at Fort Benning. Our Rebecca Schramm joining us live from Gwinnett County. And Rebecca, later this evening, the president's expected to hold a big rally there, and you can see the police presence behind you. They're already getting things in place.
They are, Karen. You know, the president will see a lot of Georgia today from the air and from his motorcade. And yes, his last stop today will be here at the Infinite Energy Center, where, look at this, we have been seeing a lot of activity for the last several hours. County employees were out early, setting up barricades and lining up dump trucks and county buses to block the view from passersby on Sugarloaf Parkway to better secure the stage where President Biden will kick off his Getting America Back on Track tour. We spotted a K-9 unit sweeping the property and Secret Service agents talking strategy.
I really wanted to see him, so I signed up for to RSVP to this event.
Supporters started lining up in their cars before 9 a.m. for the 6 p.m. drive-in rally.
It's okay. You know, listen, this is a once in a lifetime that you get a president here. I bring my daughter so that way she can see him as well.
We're thrilled to see him. We're thrilled to hear his messaging and know that this country is making a turn for the positive.
And then still coming off of the excitement from last night, his address to Congress was awesome.
The president will not be getting a warm welcome from Governor Brian Kemp. He appeared on Fox News this morning blasting Biden's speech, particularly the part where he said the right to vote is being attacked.
It is part of their playbook, guys, to push H.R. 1, which is an unconstitutional power grab and a federalization of elections that even a lot of Democrat Secretary of States don't think is a good idea, and our founders certainly didn't.
As you look live at the flag hoisted over the entrance to the Infinite Energy Center, I can tell you that before Mr. Biden comes here, he will meet with former President Jimmy Carter in Plains down in Sumter County, and we will have that plus the full coverage on the rally this evening throughout the day. We're live in Duluth in Gwinnett County. Rebecca Schramm, CBS 46 News.
All right, Rebecca.